Nagugulat po kami bakit naging negative po sila sa paraffin test. Idalawang mata namin pati yung wounded. Nakita nila na si Mamalapat po, si Boyong is kitang-kita po yung kanilang pagbaril sa amin po.
Okay, Crime Lab, can you explain?
The result of the paraffin tests are all negative for the 12 persons. If the person fired a gun, it will give a negative result because of several factors. Number one, if you wear a glove, of course, the gunpowder residue will not embed the gunpowder nitrates on your hand. So that's why it will give you a negative result. Number two, the wind velocity is strong enough that it will not embed to your hand. Of course, the paraffin gas will give negative result. Second, the humidity. And third, the barrel of the gun. The gunpowder residue will not land to your dorsal portion of your hand. If you fire a gun to a horizontal against vertical, most probably the vertical will give you a positive while the horizontal will give you a negative result. That are those factors, Your Honor.